Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
We will cover the dollar CAD. The dollar CAD saw strong buying of the 200 MA right here. However, we think this upside move will be kept. If proven otherwise, we will control risk and reevaluate. For the bear case, which is something that we see more like, which is our longer play, we think price might fake out to the upside, breaking this level, right? Making traders think that, oh, it's going to push it further up to the upside before taking a dump down to reach our bear targets, right? But this is a potential. It could very well just dump from here. And for the bull case, if for some reason price sees conviction to the upside, right, further conviction to the upside, we think 1.30 will form a strong resistance for this pair.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.